And welcome back to Chapter 2. If you made it through the introduction, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to talk about price and affordability. This is going to be in a couple parts because I'm going to make these 5-minute videos for you so that way you can digest every key moment that we're going through. It's the reason why I broke these videos down a little bit more precisely, so it makes it better for you to understand the key points of how to build a PC. So we're starting with price and affordability. What I mean by affordability, it means that, everybody has their top of the end bills, and then after that, they have reserved a certain amount per month for their everyday living. So we're going to jump into the action screen. We're going to bring up Notepad and we're going to discuss affordability. Okay, if you made it to here, we're at affordability. Okay, we're first going to start with the fact of what I can afford. So that's going to be your key right there. What can I afford? Here, we'll move it down a little bit more so you can see it. What can I afford? Now, that depends on your income. So, let's say, for an example, let's say your total bills per month equal out to maybe $1,700 a month. Well, maybe I should put a dollar sign there. Guys, you got to work along with me. A month and overhead costs. Okay, so now you established what it cost you per month. If it cost you $20,000, $30,000, I don't know how much it cost you per month. This is just an example in general. This gives you an aspect of what you can afford and what you can't. Each PC part might cost a different in variations of price. So giving you this example will show you your next step. So first thing you have to look at is what it's going to cost you. Okay, now you got your living expenses. Let's say your living expenses are $300 a month. Living expenses. Okay, so now you got a cool total of $2,000 per month. So, and your total income, you can put it in here. You put your income. You can build along with me, guys. It's not hard. You put your income in, and then you say, well, my income is $4,800 a month. Just an example. So we say $4,800. And we minus that from the 2,000. I gotta go backwards a little bit. Minus that from the 2,000 per month. Gives you $2,800 a month. So looking at this, you go $2,800 in savings. Okay, so now you got the first foundation right here. You got your first foundation. Now in part 2 of the video, do stick around for it because that's where the magic happens. So stick around for part 2.